How goes it today? Everything okay? I was just messing around. You know, the keys have been collecting dust in this place, and I figured it's been a while since I showed it some attention. What do you mean you can hear my sadness through it? I'm not sad. And that is how you are supposed to play, no? Properly? With emotion. I take that to mean I was playing properly. You really can see right through me, no? No, I promise you everything is okay. There's just a lot going on, you know? I was really trying not to cry. You really bring out the worst in me, Monka. I know I don't mean to leave you standing there wondering what the heck is happening when I am suddenly becoming a puddle of tears. One second, let me just grab a tissue. How ridiculous. Can't even pick one thing to do at a time. Yawning and crying. Don't I look like a mess? I really have no idea. And rightfully so, you know. I'm always pretending like everything is okay. Always putting myself out there to make sure you're okay. But you're right. I should let you do the same for me. Okay, I will tell you. It is nothing life-threatening, you know. It is just still heart-wrenching for me and mind-boggling, because while I would love to say that it is just a matter of school stress or feeling like I could be doing better, or I don't know what do you call it, imposter syndrome or something, but the truth is I am incredibly stressed from school. You know, it is what brought me over here. And yet, I am afraid if I continue to not break, what is the word? Cave? Bend? If I continue to bend under the pressure of it all and let that affect my performance further, I am afraid I will be sent back home. And of course that is already bad in and of itself, but you see, if I'm sent back home and I can't be here any longer, that also means that I cannot be here with you. Yes, I would already be disappointed enough in myself if I could not perform enough in school, but I would be forever regretful if I was taken away from one of no, girl, you're not only one of the best things that have happened to me since I got here, but you're one of the best things in my life. You know, and in many regards. You know, I have come to your side time and time again to be there for you whenever you are feeling down, but the truth is you help me more than you know. I make the effort to be all smiley and things in front of you because, you know, obviously I want you to be well, but also I want you to think of me well. But things aren't always so sunny on the inside. Even now I'm trying to fight my tears because I want to continue to appear strong in front of you. I do not want you to think that I am weak. I feel once I start to show my weakness to you, that I can no longer be a person of strength for you. That you will not leave me when I give you comforting words or anything like that. And I fear that by extension, if that were to be the case, well, I don't know, that I would lose my purpose to you and you would lose interest. I need you, mon cœur. I need you, I do. And even you just listening to me right now and being here with me it does more than you know. I am passed up to my nose in stress right now. I feel like I am drowning, but at least drowning feels a lot more peaceful with you by my side. So thank you. Yes. Yes. You promised to me that your view of me won't change because of this. Thank you. Oh, yes, I see your view of me has not changed in the slightest. By the way, you are immediately offering me to get some ice cream. You never disappoint, mon cœur. Never. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.